Number 6. Make an exception. It means to allow something not usually permitted due to special circumstances.
For her, they decided to make an exception. For her, they decided to make an exception. Can you make an exception just this once? Can you make an exception just this once? The rule is strict, but we'll make an exception. The rule is strict, but we'll make an exception.
Number 7. Make an error. It means to make a mistake.
She realized she made an error in the calculation. She realized she made an error in the calculation. Making an error is part of the learning process. Making an error is part of the learning process. He made an error on the application form. He made an error on the application form.
Number 8. Make an inquiry. It means to ask for information.
I need to make an inquiry about the application process. I need to make an inquiry about the application process. They made an inquiry about the hotel's availability. They made an inquiry about the hotel's availability. Can we make an inquiry about the tour times? Can we make an inquiry about the tour times?
Number 9. Make a discovery. It means to find or learn something for the first time.
The scientist made a discovery that changed medicine. The scientist made a discovery that changed medicine. By accident, she made a discovery in the lab. By accident, she made a discovery in the lab. Making a discovery in science can be very exciting. Making a discovery in science can be very exciting.
Number 10. Make a difference. It means to have a significant effect or impact on something or someone.
Volunteers can make a difference in the community. Volunteers can make a difference in the community. Small changes in habit can make a difference environmentally. Small changes in habit can make a difference environmentally. He wants to make a difference in children's lives. He wants to make a difference in children's lives.